For today's topic, we're going to be talking about iCloud. So what is iCloud? iCloud is the service for Apple that securely stores your photos, files, notes, passwords, and other data in the cloud and keeps it up to date across all your devices automatically. iCloud also makes it easy to share photos, files, notes, and more with friends and family. You can also back up your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch using iCloud. iCloud includes a free email account and a 5 GB storage free for your data, which is equivalent to about 1,500 photos, depending on the resolution of the photo. For more storage and additional features, you can subscribe to Icloud Plus. But what is the cloud? The cloud, in simple words, is the internet. The cloud allows you to access the same files and applications from almost any device. Your files, photos, and information that you put in the cloud is stored in data centers instead of in your device that allow users to access those files over the internet. So as you can see in the computer, this is your device, and then you can access the cloud via the internet. These are the data centers where you store the data, and they contain your application, the databases, your information. Accessing iCloud. iCloud is built into each Apple device. To set up iCloud on your devices, sign into each of them with the same Apple ID and password. You can choose which apps store information in iCloud and which iCloud features you're using separately on each device. As you can see in the left side picture, you're going to need your Apple ID and the password to sign into iCloud. You can customize the settings for each device. You can also access information stored in iCloud on a Windows computer using iCloud for Windows and in a web browser at iCloud.com. On the phone, on the left side, you can see that they have customized what they want to store in iCloud. Some of them are photos, mail, and contacts. To set up iCloud on your iPhone, iPad, or iPod Touch, you go to Settings. You click on your name. If you don't see your name, you tap in the sign in to your device, then your Apple ID and password. And then tap iCloud, and then you can choose which features you want to turn on and which ones you want to turn off. Like they have the photos on, they have pretty much everything on. To set up iCloud on your Mac, you go to the Apple menu, Systems Preferences, click Apple ID, and then click iCloud. If you don't see Apple ID, click Sign In, enter your Apple ID and password, and then click iCloud. And you can select or deselect each app or feature. Icloud Benefits. One of the benefits of iCloud is that your information is always up to date. When you use iCloud, you can access your photos, files, passwords, and other data on any device you choose. Because your data is stored in the cloud and not on a single device, it stays up to date everywhere. For example, if you turn on iCloud Photos on your iPhone and Mac, you see the same photos on both devices. And if you take a new photo or delete one from the Photos app on your iPhone, those changes appear in Photos on your Mac. On the left side, you can see in the picture that they have the same Apple ID and there are 3 devices. So the first picture in the phone is this picture with different photos, with different colors. And then you can see it on the iPad. They also have it here and they have it in the same position. And then they also have it on the MacBook and they have it in the same position as well. And the same goes for all the other pictures they have. Another benefit is that it is safe and secure. Data stored in iCloud is encrypted, and with two-factor authentication, your account can only be accessed on your devices you trust. So whenever you sign into your Apple ID, in your other device, you're going to be getting a notification. Like on the iPad, they're getting a notification that someone is signing into their Apple ID, and they have the place where they're signing in from, and then you can choose if you want to allow it or don't allow it. You can also share with friends and family. You can share information stored in iCloud and collaborate with others. You decide who can view your content and who can make changes. If collaborators make edit to the content, everyone sees them in real time. Get more storage and features with iCloud Plus. iCloud Plus is Apple's premium cloud subscription service that gives you more iCloud storage for your photos and files, plus additional features including private relay, hide my email, HomeKeep secure video support, and custom email domain. These are the prices for iCloud Plus. So for iCloud Plus, for the 50 gigabytes, they pretty much have all the same, but then it improves every time. For 50 gigabytes in Canada is $129 per month, and in the US is 99 cents. For 200 gigabytes is $3.99 per month in Canada and $2.99 per month in the US. And for 2 terabytes is $12.99 per month in Canada and $9.99 per month in the US. Saving your information. iCloud backups. iCloud backups include nearly all data and settings stored on your device. With a Wi-Fi network connection, you can back up your device using iCloud. You don't need to plug your device into a computer to back up with iCloud. But iCloud's backups don't include data that's already stored in iCloud, like contacts, calendars, notes, messages. So whatever you already have on your iCloud is not going to be added twice. It's just going to be added once. That is stored in other cloud services like Gmail and Exchange Mail. Apple Mail data, Apple Pay information and settings. So if you have Apple Pay set up on your phone, it's not going to be included to your iMac or iPad. Face ID or Touch ID settings, and iCloud Music Library and App Store content. So a little bit more about iCloud. When you turn off iCloud for an app or feature on a device, information stored in iCloud for that app or feature is no longer available on that device. However, it's still available on other devices where iCloud is turned on for the app or feature. If you choose to have iCloud Plus, you only pay one bill for all your devices. For example, if you have iCloud Plus with 50 gigabytes storage and have an iPhone, iPad, and MacBook with the same Apple ID, you only pay 99 cents in the US or $129 in Canada. And you can learn more about this by clicking on this link. So now I'm going to show you how to access iCloud on your computer. So I'm going to go to my iCloud. Since I'm already signed into my Apple ID in my computer, I'm just going to click continue with password. And then here you can see everything that I have stored in my iCloud. So as for the notes, this is going to be the same that I have on my notes on my Mac. So like these notes, I took them with my iPad and they are also here in my iMac. I also have the same photos that I have on my iPad. I have them saved here. For the pages, you can see that if I ever access iCloud on a web browser like Google, like right now, you can access it through any device. So it doesn't necessarily have to be an Apple device. It can be a Windows. And I'm going to click on this paper that I have saved on my pages. And it's going to be loading there. And then I'm going to click on my pages on my computer. So this is an exam. And then I can see that this is what I accessed today. So it's the first thing because I just opened it. Now I'm going to click on it and then it's going to show it again. So even if this is an Windows computer, I can see the same files that I have already stored in my computer. If I go to iCloud settings, I can see all about my information. With this Apple ID, I have this computer and I have my iPad and I have all these features like hide my email and these other features that we already talked about, like restoring files and custom email domain. And then I can see how much free storage I have. I'm not paying for a premium subscription, so I do not have Icloud Plus. So I only have 5 gigabytes of storage, and I still have 3.75 gigabytes available. But to access iCloud on your computer, so just go to the Apple ID and then System Preferences. And then click on Apple ID. And then you can see this is what I have allowed my computer to be uploading to iCloud. So as you can see, I have my photo saved, and it's because I have allowed it to be saving it. And I have the mail, I have my notes, I have the reminders, and it also shows me what devices are using my Apple ID. And again, it shows me how much storage I have. And then if you click on manage, it's going to give you the option to add storage, which is where you can choose to get iCloud Plus. And that's for today's presentation.